Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make rice and peas. You want to know how to make rice and peas, that's why you click on this video. So today we'll be giving you a recipe on how to make the perfect rice and peas with natural coconut. If you want to use canned milk, you can use canned milk also, but we're gonna use some natural coconut. So please stay tuned and watch this video, and please follow our recipe. Using to make this rice and peas, bean and rice, whatever you guys call it, 8 ounces of kidney bean soaked from overnight. Gonna use some pimento seed, garlic, crushed garlic, scotch bonnet pepper to give it some nice flavor, some fresh thyme, green season with scallion, sweet pepper, green in it, and the star of the show, a coconut, which you can use coconut canned milk also if you want. So first we're gonna start by throwing off this water, because they said that when you use this water it have lots of toxin in it, so when you soak it, so you need to throw off this water first and then you add it to some fresh water. So we're gonna turn our stove on high, and we're gonna add the 2 garlic, of pimento seed. You know, I think spicy and tastes good, you know. And we're gonna add the thyme into the pot. May do it my way, so if I don't say you do it, just know so it'll go good and taste nice. You can add some garlic powder too also. Even though we add garlic already, we still put some garlic powder. Still gonna add some garlic powder. A teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add some teaspoon of salt. The shrimps to get some flavor. We're gonna cover this and we're gonna do the coconut. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna ox the coconut. So now you're gonna wash your coconut and cut them up. You're gonna cut them up in pieces so that you can blend them. Yeah. You want more coconut again? If me follow you eat out the coconut when I get to use it to cook the rice. Here we go. Cut and finish now. So you're gonna add some water. And you're gonna add this to the blender. We don't want too much water, because you want the coconut juice to be rich as possible. Alright. So now we're gonna blend. Nicely blend. So we're gonna strain it now. add the coconut milk to the pot. Alright. I'm going to add the pepper and 2 teaspoons of my green seasoning. Alright. And then we're gonna leave the peas finish boil and let the coconut juice do its thing. The taste of the peas then boil. And as you can see, the peas then boil, see? Now we're gonna take out this thyme because it don't have no use anymore. See, everything come off already, so and dispose that. I'm gonna taste I'm gonna give it a taste because you want your rice and peas to be flavorful. So it tastes like it could. Take a little more salt. I'm gonna add some more salt. Some more salt to it. I'm gonna add butter also. I'm gonna add butter. I'm gonna taste it again. And it's perfect. Now we're gonna wash our rice and add it to the pot. Add 4 cups of rice. Wash rice. Just wash my rice. Please ensure that you wash your rice. It is very essential, very important. Wash your rice. You're gonna give it a stir. Then you're gonna come on, leave it. Don't trouble it, just leave it, let it boil or steam, whatever you call it. Just leave it alone. And it's gonna cook about 45 minutes. This is the rice. Oh my god, very creamy, fluffy and nice. Oh my god. Look at this rice. You can smell the coconut flavor. Jesus. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. If you could only smell in this house, it's so good. Let me take a taste. I'm looking some of my because somebody have to come and wife me. Somebody have to come and wife me. No man, look again. I'm not gonna take a look closer. Look. Jesus Christ. You can smell the coconut milk. It's to die for. If I'm turn, sir, start use coconut. Oh my god. That was it. Please leave a comment down below, like, share, and just binge watch all of our videos. And if you have any recipe idea or anything you want us to make, please leave it down in the comment section. Wow, I enjoy making this video for you guys. It's very juicy. Look at the coconut. Look at the coconut milk. Oh my god. I'm giving you guys a real close-up. This rice is very moist. Jesus, look at the rice. So this is the finished product.